Hello, good morning everybody. This is Mudassir Khan. This here is the unboxing and testing of JBL Harman Flip 5 just received from Amazon. So please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share it. I'll just do the unboxing and testing of this JBL Harman Flip 5. Yeah, this is the box and we have some user manuals. Yeah, user manual. Quick start guide, warranty card, everything, and USB type C cable, not charger, just a type C cable. So real thing is inside here. This is JBL Harman Flip 5. Okay, I'll connect it this and test this. Okay, fine. This is the testing of JBL Flip 5. So just I'll play the music.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
You can just see listen the music. The mids and lows are very good. The bass is above average. I am not telling it is very high and punchy. It is above average. So this is the review of testing of the JBL Flip 5. So I'll give the complete review in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share it. Thank you very much.